मार्केट्स एक्सपेंसिव लग रहा है. This is probably the most expensive sentence in investing. I've seen people say this when Nifty was at 8,000, then at 12,000, then at 18,000, and now at 25,000. And the interesting part is, people rarely feel comfortable buying after the markets rise. Whether it's stocks, real estate, gold, or business expansion. Human psychology struggles at higher prices because we compare today's price with yesterday's prices and not with tomorrow's possibilities. Take Gurgaon real estate. Between 2020 and 24, हर जगह prices बढ़े, especially in some micro markets. कहीं 40%, कहीं 60%, and कहीं तो more than 80%. And naturally, people started saying, अरे अब बहुत बढ़ गया, अब मार्केट्स रुकेगी, अरे करेक्शन आने वाला भाई. But here's the problem. People don't realize expensive assets and rising prices are two different things. Because markets moves in cycle. Especially in a strong cycle, market look expensive throughout the journey. Even in 2003-2008 period of Gurgaon real estate cycle, बहुत लोगों को लगा कि यार prices already बहुत बढ़ चुके हैं. And multiple times during the cycle before the actual peak arrived. I know investors who have waited to invest in Gurgaon even when prices were at 8,000 rupees a square feet, then at 12,000 rupees a square feet, and even at 18,000 rupees a square feet. Every time, the logic sounded intelligent. Markets overhyped हैं, prices बहुत बढ़ गया है, correction आने वाला है, I'll invest later. But years later, they weren't discussing timing anymore. They were discussing affordability. And honestly, this is not only about real estate, it's about human psychology. People feel safest either before the growth starts or after a crash. But wealth creation usually happens during discomfort, during uncertainties, and during disbelief. That's why most investors struggle emotionally to participate in strong cycles. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि कुछ भी खरीद लो, कभी भी खरीद लो या किसी भी मार्केट में खरीद लो. That's dangerous too. Because there's a difference between strong assets and speculative hype. And sophisticated investing is understanding this difference. Sophisticated investors don't obsess with perfect timing. They focus on quality, cycle, holding power, and long-term allocation. Because perfect timing sounds intelligent, but in reality, very few people achieve it consistently. Before saying market expensive lag raha hai, ask yourself 3 questions. Expensive related to what? Temporary sentiment or long-term trajectory? Am I analyzing value or reacting emotionally? These are very different things. Most of the wealth creation opportunities feel these are very different things. Some of the biggest wealth creating opportunities initially feel uncomfortable. Because अगर opportunity emotionally आसान लगेगी, मतलब most of the upside is already gone. And honestly, most people miss these opportunities not because of lack of money, but because they're waiting for certainty. If you enjoy deeper conversations around investor psychology, capital allocation, market cycles, and strategic real estate investing, subscribe to Real Estate with Siddharth.